Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Shu from INEO Company. Today I will show you how to adjust the gas flame. First we will use a screwdriver and an igniter. Remove the grate. Take out the water tray. Turn the switch to the ignition position and fire. You can see that the flame condition is not normal at this point. There is a screw at the bottom, loosen it. Adjust the damper until the flame condition is normal, then tighten the screw again. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.